With the Perl Studio image auto date, you can stamp images with today's date or the date you input. For instance, you can choose any amount of images you want, right click. After you install the app, it will be here, and you can just press date with today. And you will have dated images. If you check now the image, it doesn't have a date, but if you check the dated one, it has the date at the bottom. You can also, of course, right click and date with input, and you can change to anything. One by one. As you can see, they have the date you inputted. That's all this app does for now. I could add an update that auto-dates all of the images selected with one input. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.